Hi, my name is John. Welcome to a video review on a chain block and trolley. This video channel of mine has become quite successful, and I often get people sending us invitations to do reviews on various pieces of equipment. A lot of it I've got no interest in, a lot of it's simple rubbish. A company called Vevor have approached us 2 or 3 times now asking if I would like to review some of their products. Anybody that watches my channel will know I've just bought quite a large steam engine to restore, and it's simply too heavy for me to lift. So I've installed a lifting beam, and I got onto Vevor and they do a nice half-ton chain block and a trolley. I asked to review that. They've sent it out with no pressure, no time scale. It's mine to keep whether I do a review or not. I've had a look at it and it seems to be a decent bit of kit, so I'm going to go ahead and do a review on it. What you get here is the truth. There's no stories. If it's shite, I'll just say it's shite, but first impressions are it's very good. So I'll bring the camera in, show you what you get. We'll get it all installed, get it hung on the beam and do a little bit of lifting. This is the trolley part, 4 rollers which roll along the bottom of an RSJ. It's adjustable, there's some washers there, so you can adjust it from really wide to a really narrow beam. That's the part there that the pulley block hooks onto, or the chain block hooks onto. I've got a short section of the RSJ I'm going to use. We'll have a go at setting it up for the width of the RSJ that I'm going to use. As you can see, it's quite a narrow section girder, but that goes in there. So I need to adjust this right in until it fits on that girder quite nicely. I'll put this in a vise so I can sort of use both hands. And so that would go on there like that, and you can see it is too wide. So what I'm going to have to do is modify it by cutting a little piece off these. I'll do a bit of measuring, cut them, and then we'll come back to it. This is, like I say, is an exceptionally narrow beam. It's designed for stuff a lot wider, but I'm sure I'll be able to make it work on there, no problem at all. I've cut 10mm off each face, so when that goes together like that now, it's going to run nicely in the bottom of that piece of C-section. I've had to put spacer washers in to get it right. I'm not going to leave that sticking out with lots of spacer washers on. I will cut it and screw cut it at a later date. There'll be a video on that on one of my nightcaps. So basically now we can put this together, fasten it up onto the beam, and then play lift things, I think. It's an old rusty joist, but it's the only one I had. I'm sure it'll do the job quite nicely. It's not tightened up fully, it's left with a bit of free play like that. That's why it's got double nuts on each side. That's the way it fits onto the girder or onto the beam. There's a little bit of clearance on the sides of those wheels, and that should work absolutely fine. So I'll put this on the girder above my bench, and then we'll get the chain block out and have a look at that. That certainly moves nice and freely on that girder. Quite happy with that. It can't come off. This is the chain block. Half-ton. Still regular quality. It says there half-ton. Height of lift 6 metres. I won't need anything like that, so I'll probably be going to shorten the chain. That's the business end. So we'll hook with a safety catch on, what you'd expect. Main lifting chain's welded link. As is the operating chain. I think what I'll do, I'll hang it up where it's going to be going, and then we can work it. Right, I've got it hung up on the beam. Basically you've got 2 chains. That's a lifting chain, that's the one the weight goes onto, and that's the operating chain. You pull it that way and it works with a gear ratio and a 1-way clutch, and slowly lifts that one, and it's exactly the same to let it down. Very controllable. Like I say, it's got a 6 metre lift. I'll not need all of that, so we'll be going to shorten the chain, and it seems to slide quite nicely. I suppose now we'll try to lift something with it and do a real test, I suppose. Like I said, I'll be going to move out of this chain. I don't need that much chain. That's pretty effortless to lift that. You stop where you leave it, and it goes down here. I can slide it out. Load it down onto the floor. Basically do anything I want with it, which is the idea of it. I wanted them off, that's why I wanted it lifting. Right, I've got 2 nice blocks to lower it down onto. They're very, very controllable, as you can see. Right, the block's on high enough, kind of bouncing on its flywheel there, but I'm sure you get the idea. That's it down there. What we do with slinging slightly different, so it lifts it nice and square. But basically, it does exactly what I wanted to do. That's possibly the only trouble. The chains weren't washing, they're absolutely filthy. They're covered in like a protective oil or grease. Right, to sum it up, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It picks things up that I'm no longer able to. If you have a look in the description box, there is some links to the Vevor site, to this block and other bits and pieces. I think there's a discount code there as well. I hope you enjoy watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it. I do like pissing about with bits of chain and lifting gear. Anyway, I hope to do more reviews of Vevor gear as and when I need various items from your workshop. Okay, thanks for watching.